Basics of C. General aspect of C. C was originally developed in 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratories. C is a high-level, general-purpose structured programming language. Instructions of C consist of terms that are very closely same to algebraic expressions, consisting of certain English keywords such as if, else, for, do, and while. C contains certain additional features that allows it to be used at a lower level, acting as a bridge between machine language and the high-level languages. This allows C to be used for system programming as well as used for application programming. The character set of C. C language consists of some character set, numbers, and some special symbols. The character set consists of the alphabets of English language. C consists of alphabets A to Z, uppercase A to Z, and lowercase a to z, and the numerics from 0 to 9. Special symbols: opening curly brace, closing curly brace, opening square bracket, close square bracket, question mark, plus, minus, star, division, mod, explanatory marks, and more. The word formed from the character set are building blocks of C and known as the tokens. These tokens represent the individual entity of language. The following different types of token are used in C. First, identifiers, second, keywords, third, constants, fourth, operators, and fifth, punctuation symbols. What is an identifier? A C program consists of two types of elements, user-defined and system-defined. Identifier is nothing but the name given to these elements. An identifier is a word used by a programmer to name a variable or function or label. Identifier consists of letters and digits in any order, except that the first character or label. Identifier consists of letters and digits in if any order, except that the first character must be letter. Both upper and lowercase letters can be used. What is an keywords? Keywords are nothing but the reserved words of the language. They have specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as a variables or a constant. C is a case sensitive language. It means lowercase and uppercase can be treated as a different. 32 keywords in C programming language. The keywords are auto, double, int, struct, break, else, long, switch, case, enum, register, typedef, character, extend, return, union, const, float, short, unsigned, continue, for, signed, void, default, goto, size of, volatile, do, if, static, and while. What is variable? Variable is nothing but a name given to the storage area that our programs can manipulate. Means whose value can be varied. Means variable's value can change. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and the layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The name of the variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore characters. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. Means we can declare a variable with letter or an underscore. First character must be a underscore or letter. Uppercase and lowercase letters are distinct because C is a case sensitive. There are following basic variable types or data types in C. Character, typically a single octet, means it needs 1 byte of memory or 1 byte of size. Integer, the most natural size of an integer for the machine. Integer requires 2 byte of memory or 4 byte of memory. float a single precision floating point value. It requires 4 bytes of memory. Double precision floating point value, it requires 8 bytes of memory. Wide represents the absence of type. What is a constant? A constant is a value or an identifier whose value cannot be changed or altered in a program. For example, if we want to declare the value of pi for calculating the area of circle, in that case we can declare a pi as a constant. For example, constant double pi equal to 3.14. It means pi value 3.14 is same in all over the program. Integer constant is a numeric constant that is associated with the number without any fractional or exponential part. There are 3 types of integer constants in C programming language. Decimal constant having a base 10, octal constant having a base 8, and hexadecimal constant having base 16. Floating point constant. A floating point constant is a numeric constant that has either a fractional form or an exponent form. For example, 3.14, 2.0, 0.00000234, minus 0.22 e minus 5. Character constants. A character constant is a constant which uses single quotation around the characters. For example, single quote around A, single quote around I, single quote around M, single quote around F. String constants. String constants are the constants which are enclosed in the double quotes. For example, double quote with the good, double quote with X, double quote earth is around. These are the string constant. Escape sequences. Sometimes it is necessary to use the characters which cannot be typed or has a special meaning in C programming. For example, new line, tab, question mark, etc. In order to use these characters, escape sequences is used. For example, /n is used for new line, / causes escape from the normal way the characters are interpreted by the compiler. Escape sequence and character. /b is used for backspace, /f is used for form feed, /n is used for new line, /r is used for return, /t is for horizontal tab, /v is used for vertical tab, double backslash used for backslash single quote used for single quotation mark, backslash double quote used for double quotation mark, backslash question mark is used for question mark, and /0 is a null character. Thank you.